In this video, let me show you how to get Helix and Archero 2. First, make sure you have the Archero 2 app. If you don't have, just download it on Play Store or App Store. Next, let's open Archero 2 and make sure you're logged in. After that, go to the equipments located at the bottom of the screen. Now click on the characters tab beside of gear and runes. In here, find Helix among the characters and you can see here, you can buy it with gems. So let's buy that. After buying it, you can now use it. Just click use. After that, go to gears. Your gears and Alex will automatically equip when you use other character. If you want to store up your character, you may find the shards in shop or by playing stage and joining events. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.